Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 Isuzu MU-X, stock number 6339. This ran from the second 2017 to the second 2021. It has a 4JJ1 3-litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4JJ1 3-litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door curve, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,